Greetings, welcome to Smartwatch Guide. Today, let's review and compare two amazing smartwatches. They are IWO 13 W56 smartwatch and IWO W46 smartwatch. Both of the watch are come from the watch brand Demor. Okay, let's have a look at the smartwatches. At the left side, the smartwatch in black color is IWO 13 W56 smartwatch. And on the right side, the one is the IWO W46 smartwatch. Both of the watch are the same size in 44 millimeter. Okay, let's compare the appearance first. We can see the screen is the same size. And on the right side of the watch case, there are buttons. We can see the black one. W56 has two buttons, one black round crown button with red circle, and the other power button, while W46 has only one round button. And between the two buttons of the W56, there is a small hole for the microphone. Let's look at the left side of the watch case. We can see there are two holes for the speaker. In the black one of W56, while the silver one of W46, there is no holes. So we can think the 40 W46 smartwatch has better waterproof than the W56. Okay, let's compare about the back of the watch case. We can see the heart rate sensor are different. The black IWO W56 has 4 small heart rate sensors, while W46 has only 1 heart rate sensor. Okay, let's power on the watch to see the applications. The power buttons are different on W56. Okay, we can see the watch face are different. The black one has amazing watch face in blue color background, while the W46 has a colorful watch face. Okay, let's slide through the screen from top to down. We can see the status bar, 6 status bar. They are the same. The Bluetooth connection status, battery, indication, and the QR code bar. Let's check out the QR code. We can see the QR code are different between the two watches. The QR code is for the application we need to scan the QR code to download and install the application on our smartphone to connect with the watch. So the application to connect are different between the two models. Okay. Let's slide through the screen from left to right. We can see the sports patterns. We can see the font size of W46 has bigger font size than the W56. Walking, let's compare the sports patterns, running, climbing, cycling, basketball, badminton, table tennis, football, yoga, ping pong, we can see the sports patterns has some difference. Okay, let's check out the walking. Both of the watches are monitoring now. We can see the heart rate sensor lights green color. The W56 has 4 heart rate sensor, while W46 has only 1 heart rate sensor. Okay. Let's slide through the screen from left right to left. We can see the menu icons in the screen. Okay, we can see the menu icons are different between the two models. At the first row, the W56 has camera, stopwatch, calculator, gesture, while the W46 has some sports patterns. So we think the W46 has dedicated functions of sports mode. It has more sports function. In order to compare easily, we can change to the 9-grid UI mode to compare the functions. We can see the first page, then on the W56 is the phone book, phone call, call logs, message, while on the W46 there are pedometer, sleep monitor, heart rate monitor, temperature, blood pressure measurement. So we think W46 is dedicated in the health function and sports function. Let's compare the second page. Heart rate sensor, sports, weather, on W46, the third one. So we can see the function of the menu icons are different between the 46 and the 56. Okay, let's compare the watch face. We can scroll the Chrome button to change watch face on the IWO13 W56 smartwatch. There are totally 50 watch faces in the W56 smartwatch. But when we scroll the Chrome button, the Chrome button doesn't work and function when we scroll the Chrome button. Just can be pressed down to function. We can long press the touch screen to slide through the screen to left or right to change the watch faces. There are 5 watch faces in the supported in the W46 smartwatch, but we can use our own photos or pictures as the watch face, so we can customize the watch face with our own photo on the IWW46 smartwatch. So this function is more interesting. Okay, let's check out the watch face in the W56. It has more watch faces than the IW46 smartwatch. It has some same watch faces as in the W46 smartwatch. These are the same. Okay. These are the two amazing smartwatch of the on the left side the IW13 W56 smartwatch, and on the right side is the W46 smartwatch. Both of the watches are amazing, and the watch brand comes from the brand of Demor. Okay, thank you for listening. See you again.